Today, I will share with you idioms of the day. Now, look at the picture. What can you see? It is a girl and there are butterflies flying. Now, can you guess what is the idioms? It is butterflies in my stomach. Did you answer it correctly? Did you know what is the meaning of the idiom? It means to feel nervous or anxious. The example is, I've got butterflies in my stomach. I have to speak in front of 200 people this afternoon, and I feel so nervous. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.